Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Prathmesh Jain. I am a knee specialist, and in my clinical practice, I came across a lot of patients who said to me that there is noise coming out of their knees. So today I am here to tell you about all kinds of different noises that can come out of your knee and their significance. So number one, a pop or a tuck. So this is a noise which is a traumatic noise, and this usually happens when there is an injury to your knee and you hear a pop inside a knee, and this is a classical sign of an injury to the knee like a meniscal tear or a ligament tear, and you should always take this seriously. If you hear a pop while you suffer injury to the knee, that is usually significant and you may have a locked meniscus or a torn ligament. So a pop kind of a noise after an injury is always a significant feature. The second is a clunk. A clunk is a noise which is felt at a specific movement. So if you are moving your knee like this, and at a special point from flexion to extension you feel a noise, this noise is called as a clunk. This is a very common noise which is occurring after a knee replacement. So that is called as a patellar clunk syndrome, and it is usually due to a hypertrophic synovium or a nodule kind of a thing just above the patella in a post knee replacement patient, and this is called as a patellar clunk syndrome. Occasionally this noise can also occur in absence of a knee replacement like a normal knee. So that is called as a Clunk syndrome, and that is also usually due to some fibrosis which is blocking the flexion and extension of the knee. This is predominantly related to some patellar problems like a kneecap problem. The third most common noise is a click. Now a click is a noise which occurs between a flexion and extension at a particular point, and this click is usually suggestive of a episodically locking meniscus or a locking kind of a ligament stump. So a click is again a sound which is seen in a mechanical derangement of the knee like a meniscus injury or a ligament injury, and is usually more seen in a chronic kind of a picture than every time that patient flexes and extends at a particular point he feels a noise of a click. The fourth most common noise is a creaky noise. So kurr kind of a noise when the patient bends and extends the knee, and this is usually a sign of a late arthritis. So if you are suffering from wear and tear of the knee and your knee joint become rough as compared to a smooth joint, then you can hear a noise like a creaking noise, creak kind of a noise, kind of a noise when you are bending and extending the knee. The fifth most common noise is a cracking noise, a crackling noise. This can be either spontaneous or during a manipulation. Sometimes what happens is either a physiotherapist or a surgeon forcefully bends the knee of a patient, and then you can hear that crackling noise. So this is not a good noise, and usually you should avoid doing a forceful manipulation. So crackling noise is not a good noise, and usually it is due to a forceful manipulation. Then you can have a snapping kind of a noise. Now what is snapping? A snapping is an extra-articular noise. So what is extra-articular? That is outside the knee. So there are some bursa on the outside of the knee which is called as a iliotibial band and biceps tendon, and episodically when you bend and extend your knee, that tendon snaps over the knee joint, and this is outside the knee. So that is called as a snapping knee syndrome. So this is an extra articular, this is out of your knee, and you feel this noise outside of your knee. So this is called as a snapping knee syndromes. Then occasionally you can have a fine gritty feeling or a grunty sound. This is also called as a fine crepitus. Now this is most commonly asymptomatic. So if you have a fine crepitus, you don't have to worry. In most of the cases it is usually because of any reason, not because of any reason. So you have asymptomatic or you don't have a problem, and still you can have a fine crepitus. So it is absolutely normal. Majority of times if it is fine crepitus, you are normal, you don't have any problems. Occasionally Fine crepitus can be seen in patellofemoral problems. If you have any patellofemoral syndromes, contral lesion of the patella or patellar instability, occasionally you may have a fine crepitus coming from the patellofemoral joint. Very occasionally you can have a fine crepitus coming from an osteoarthritic knee or because of a wear and tear part of the knee. So that is also something which you should not be worried about. But here you must be very clear of a point that if you are hearing a noise in the knee, a fine noise which is without any pain, usually it is asymptomatic, you don't have to worry about it. But if you have a fine kind of a crepitus, fine gritting kind of a noise with a little bit of pain, then you should try to investigate it for a patellofemoral or an osteoarthritic pain, and you should consult your doctor. One thing that I like to tell you is there is a phenomenon which is called as a tribonucleation phenomenon, in which there is a bubble formation in the knee, and occasionally you can feel the noise because of that tribonucleation phenomenon, and this is usually an asymptomatic or a phenomenon which can occur without any cause. So occasionally you might have heard of people who are bending their fingers and causing noise. So this is called as a tribonucleation phenomenon, and this is a thing which is not to be worried of. This is just air bubbles inside the joint and causing noises, and that is absolutely normal and you should not worry about it. If you have any more questions, you can write on the comment box. Thank you.